It's Sunday, March 16th, 2014. What a gorgeous, beautiful day to be at Santa Cruz Beach. Hunter's trying to build sand castles with Daddy. Wave hi, Hunter.
Wave hi to Mommy. Hunter. Hunter, stop. You're going to get spanked. We're playing in the sand for a little bit.
Hunter, your feet are covered with sand.
That's heavy. Oh, there you go. Okay.
Beautiful day. Bright and sunny.
Wow. Want to sit down in the hole? That's a very Hunter. Just sit down in the hole. Look at this hole. Sit down. Hunter, sit.
Wave hi.
Here, come here. Come here, sit down. Watch it. Sit down. Sit on the hole. Sit down. Watch it. Sit. Sit down. Watch it.
We're burying the... Oh, Hunter. Oh, wow. Is that fun?
We're going to bury the baby. Baby. Where'd he go, Mommy? Where's your legs? Is he buried? Take a picture.